Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Al Mamoon and welcome back to my Oracle Apex JavaScript series. Today we'll cover two quick, real-world examples. Show an other text box when you select others in a job title list. Recalculate a total field on the fly when salary or bonus changes. Let's jump right in. Go to Page Designer. Under the content body, click the plus icon and choose Static Content or HTML region. Give it a name, example, Demo region. Create items inside the region. Inside the demo region, create a new item. Now I will set the static value by making a select item for the job title. Now I will make another item. Now I will hide the job title in the others item by default. This line hides the form item with the ID p15_job_title_other. That means the other field won't be visible when the page first loads. Now look, it's hidden. Now I will create a dynamic action. We add a change event listener to the job title dropdown. If the user selects option 3, we show the other field. For any other option, we hide it again. This makes the form cleaner and only shows extra fields when needed. I will check now. Look, when I select others, an item extra is showing. That's example 1, dynamic show/hide based on a select list value. Now let's look at example 2, real-time calculations. I will create two number items, p15_salary and p15_bonus, and you want p1_total to update automatically when the input changes. Now I will create a dynamic action. This code adds an input listener to both the salary and bonus fields. Whenever the user types or changes a value in either field, the code runs. It takes the values of p15_salary and p15_bonus, converts them to numbers, adds them together, and then sets that total into the p15_total field automatically. This makes the total field update live as the user types. I will check now. First I give salary. Then bonus. Whenever I give bonus, the total amount is calculated automatically. Those two patterns, showing hiding items and live calculations, are the building blocks for many interactive Apex UIs. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the next topic you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.